Hey everyone, it's Julianna. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming a great video for you guys. I know that during this very hectic and different time, people are having a hard time staying motivated and staying organized and staying on track. So I am here to help you with that. I'm going to help you guys get organized. I'm going to help you guys stay motivated and stay productive. I'm also going to give you guys some tips and ideas of things that you can do when you are at home and you have nothing else to do. So I thought that I would just hop on here and give you guys all the tips and all the tricks of what you can do. I know that it's a very crazy time for a lot of people, and people are wondering like, okay, what the heck is going on? Like, I don't know what's going on. I am just in a world of confusion. I get you, girl. And I know that college professors, if you are a proud student of Zoom University like I am, then most college professors are still trying to figure out how to work their class online, because like most college professors, they usually have classes on campus. Online classes are way different than that. So they're still trying to figure out everything that they need to get done to make this class successful. I have created a bunch of tips to help you, stay organized and stay productive. If you're new, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Also, turn that post notification bell on. It's free, and I would love for you guys to stick around for more videos and just hear what I gotta say. I have an entire list, you guys. I know, I'm so extra. So the first tip is make a daily schedule. Now, creating a daily schedule is hard because you just want to lay in bed and you want to chill all day. Creating a daily schedule will keep you on track. So I'm gonna kind of name off my daily schedule. So I'll wake up, I'll make my coffee, and then I'll do my skincare. I will eat breakfast, and then at 11 o'clock I will do my homework, and I'll start making my to-do list and figuring out everything that I need to get done. And then at 12 to 1 I have a lunch break, and then I'll also make my bed in the morning. 1 to 3 I'll do more homework, and then after that I'll have some free time. If I have anything else I need to get done, I'll do that. It's pretty up in the air, but that's a general idea of how my morning routine goes. And having that general idea is really going to help keep you on track and keep you on the right path. Also, plan out your week, okay? Planning out your week is very essential. And if you don't know me, I love my Day Designer planner, and I use it for everything. I use it for my to-do list, to plan out my daily schedule, to plan out my week. It's like my holy grail product, and I use it with a passion. It's very helpful for keeping you on track because like it's got like a daily spread on each page, and then it's also got a monthly spread, but I like to go through each day of my daily spread of the week and then like write out anything that I already know that I need to get done and its due dates, and I'll write down the day before those dates when I should be working on those specific assignments so that I'm on the right track to get them done on time. Day Designer, you have hit hard. Totally not sponsored, but I love my Day Designer. I use it every single day and I love it so much. One thing that's very important, do not fall behind. It was easier when you were physically on campus, but because like you were at the library and you could just sit down and you're in a quiet zen area and you can just do your homework because that's what everybody else is doing. But you don't have that. You have a bedroom with a bed, and you really want to stay in that bed and do homework. Now, I would highly recommend to work somewhere else than your bed, because that's definitely going to help to keep you more productive. And when you don't fall behind, you're less stressed, and you think that you have a lot to do in the beginning, but if you do it ahead in advance, then you're going to be way less stressed. And also, celebrate your little victories. I know this sounds so stupid, and you may think I'm kind of crazy for saying this, but it's very helpful, and you deserve to be awarded, and you need to be patient and kind with yourself. You don't need to beat yourself up. Let's say you have finished that one assignment that you've been putting off and you finally did it. Celebrate that. Go get a coffee. Go get an ice cream. Not get an ice cream. If you have it in your fridge, go do that, but don't go out in public because you can't. I would definitely recommend to celebrate your victories, because your efforts are worth being praised, you know? Like, you are you, and you did that thing, girl, and you deserve to be praised for that. You reward yourself, girl. Change your clothes and get dressed. I think that this is a very big tip to go by. I think that once you are dressed during the day and you put a little bit of makeup on, like I did today, you feel way more productive. You feel like you want to get a lot more done. You feel like a boss babe, and you have that drive to do things. And also, don't put sweatpants and a sweatshirt on. I have a sweatshirt on, but I'm wearing shorts. So I'm kind of comfortable, but I'm not. So like, I'm gonna get things done. Open your windows. The light is definitely good for making you feel better. It improves your mood, it improves your focus, it helps you be more productive. How many times am I gonna say productive in this video? I swear, I say it way too much. But you're gonna feel way much better when you let the light in, because you're gonna be like, okay, it's a beautiful day to be alive. And get a morning routine. But having a morning routine definitely sets your day up for success. Like if you have your coffee and you do your skincare, you do your meditation, you do your yoga, whatever you do in your morning routine, do that, and it'll definitely help to set your day up for success, because you have gotten your headspace and your mindset in the right place. And then after you have done that, you've done your morning routine, and now you can go on and do your homework, and you're way more in the right mind space, and you're focused on nothing but homework. Stay hydrated and boost your immune system. Drinking water is very important, because during this time, people are getting sick, and it's like a very bad pandemic. Popular supplements that I like to use are definitely vitamin C. I'll link the one that I use down below. I got it off of Amazon. But the main thing that we're gonna be focusing on with our supplements is our vitamin C and maybe a zinc supplement, because zinc is really good. If you don't know much about it, then you should research it, because I don't know much about it. I just know that it's good for helping with stuff at this time. And also, tea, guys, the tea. Spill the tea. Oh gosh, I'm so weird. I love tea. You can put honey in it, and that'll help to boost your immune system. I like all kinds of tea. I like green tea. I like echinacea tea. I think I just totally butchered that name. I also like just tea. I love tea. Tea is so good, and you can spice it up any way you want. So get some tea. And then keep your room clean, and also keep your workspace clean. This is very important, because your mind is not going to be wandering off to different aspects of your room. And if you have all your required materials there, and you have your laptop, you have everything that you need to get done right there, you're not going to want to look at anything else but your work. So make sure your room is clean, everything. And part 2, free time. This is what you can do in your free time, and what you can do when you don't have homework to do, when you don't have things to do. Please stay in touch with your friends. They are there for you. Like, have a Zoom call with your friends. Like, I know Zoom calls are very popular right now, and I know a lot of families and a lot of group of friends are having Zoom calls with each other, because, you know, they're having to practice social distancing and they can't go out in public with them. So might as well just have a great Zoom call with them, drink your coffee on camera with them, eat your dinner, do whatever, just have fun with them. Pretend that they're right there with you. That's definitely going to help to boost your mood as well. Art. Art is a great hobby to get to know. So if you are not a big fan of art, and or you don't know much about it, and you want to kind of create a new hobby, I think art is great. You can paint, you can draw. They have a lot of how-to videos on YouTube, and I think that art is definitely a good thing that you can learn, and it'll help you. And then once you're done with this quarantine, you have a lot of art pieces to show off to your friends and your family. So I think that's great. Also, one thing that I've definitely been trying to get back into is reading. Reading is very therapeutic. I think that reading a few great books is just going to help kind of expand your brain. I like reading self-help books. They're very good, and I think you gain a lot of knowledge from them. Also, playing video games. I know that Animal Crossing on the Nintendo Switches are very popular right now. I personally am going to be getting me one soon, and I cannot be more excited. I'm also going to get the game Animal Crossing, but I know it's kind of sold out right now, so I can't get it. But Animal Crossing is a very popular game, and just video games in general, because video games is where it's at. Video games are a very good source of entertainment. and they kind of help to kill time in people's lives when they don't have anything else to do. And I think that video games are pretty fun. Also, binge Netflix shows and movies. I think that this is awesome. Some good shows to watch are All American, Gossip Girl, Rain, what else? The Fosters, Jane the Virgin, New Girl. There's so much on Netflix. You just got to go on Netflix and just like look through something that you would want to watch and then just start watching it. And then I swear, once you get into it, you're into it. Like that's how Netflix is. They just draw you in. Find new music. I love music. I love the Jazz Vibes playlist on Spotify. Definitely go check it out. Do home workouts. Home workouts are fun. You can't go to the gym because they're all closed. So if you do home workouts, then you're still being active. You can take your dog on a walk. It's so awesome. I'm fixing to probably take my dog on a walk, and it's gonna be fun. And she's gonna enjoy it. And just home workouts, I can link some of my favorite YouTubers and Instagrammers that do workout videos down below, so you can go check them out. And then also, start a business, start a YouTube channel. What's a perfect time to do that? Because, you know, we're all social isolated and self-isolated, and we don't have anything else to do. So if you're wanting to do stuff that's good for your time and that's going to help benefit you in the long run, I definitely recommend to do stuff that you enjoy. So like if you want to start a business, if you want to start a YouTube channel, you can do it now because there's so many people using the internet and like going on the internet to buy things that you can make it big right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. I know it was quite long and it had quite a lot of tips, so make sure you take time to process that. If you have any other video ideas you want me to film, link them down below. I'd definitely be glad to take them into consideration. And then I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.